Hallo zusammen, that's hello everyone in German. Welcome to this exciting journey into the world of the German language. This guide will equip you with the fundamental building blocks of German A1, making your learning journey fun and engaging. We'll explore the alphabet, pronunciation, essential phrases, numbers, and everyday vocabulary. Get ready to impress yourself with your newfound German skills. Learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities, from connecting with new cultures to boosting your career prospects. German, in particular, is a gateway to rich history, vibrant culture, and exciting travel destinations. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this guide will provide you with a solid foundation in German A1. We'll break down each concept into bite-sized pieces, making it easy to digest and remember. No more overwhelming grammar rules or complicated vocabulary lists. Instead, we'll focus on practical, everyday language that you can start using right away. Remember, the key to language learning is consistency and practice. So, are you ready to embark on this adventure with me? Let's dive right in and discover the beauty and simplicity of the German language together. Get ready to say hello to a whole new world of possibilities. The German alphabet is similar to English with a few extra characters. You have the familiar A, B, C, D, all the way to Z. But wait, there's more. German also has special vowels called umlauts, A, O, U, and a unique consonant, SS, SZ. Don't let these new additions intimidate you. They're easy to learn. Think of umlauts as vowels with a little extra flair. The A sounds like the A in cat, O is similar to the I in girl, and U resembles the U in moon. The S, on the other hand, is a bit like a double S and makes a SS sound. For example, Straße, street, is pronounced Straße. Knowing your ABCs is the first step to reading, writing, and speaking German. A fun way to practice is by writing down German words and labeling objects around your house. You can even try singing the alphabet in German. Remember, practice makes perfect, and even spending a few minutes each day can make a big difference. So, there you have it. The German alphabet in a nutshell. Now that you're familiar with the letters, let's move on to the exciting part. Pronunciation. Mastering German pronunciation is like tuning a musical instrument. It ensures that your German sounds clear and natural. Thankfully, German pronunciation is relatively straightforward. Most letters sound similar to their English counterparts, with a few exceptions. Let's break it down. Vowels in German are pronounced with a clear, crisp sound. For instance, a sounds like the A in father, E is similar to the E in bed, I is like the E in sea, O resembles the O in go, and U is pronounced like the U in moon. Remember those umlauts? They add a slight variation to the vowel sounds, as we learned earlier. Consonants in German are also generally straightforward. However, some consonants like W, V, and J have slightly different pronunciations than in English. For example, W sounds like the English V, V is pronounced like F, and J sounds like the English Y. The best way to improve your pronunciation is to listen to native German speakers and try to imitate their sounds. You can find numerous resources online like language learning apps, YouTube channels, and podcasts that offer authentic German pronunciation examples. Pay close attention to the way they move their mouths and try to replicate it. Ready to utter your first German phrases? Let's learn some essential greetings and everyday expressions that will make you sound like a natural in no time. These phrases are not only practical for travelers, but also a great way to boost your confidence as you begin your German language journey. Guten Tag, good day, is a polite and versatile greeting that you can use in most situations. For a more casual greeting, you can say Hallo, hello, or Guten Morgen, good morning. In the evening, use Guten Abend, good evening, to greet someone. To say goodbye, you can use Auf Wiedersehen, goodbye, or the more informal Tschüss, bye. Another essential phrase to learn is Danke schön, thank you, which you'll be using a lot. To say you're welcome, you can respond with Bitte schön, you're welcome, or simply Bitte, you're welcome. If you need to apologize for something, say Entschuldigung, excuse me. Don't be afraid to practice these phrases out loud. You can try role-playing different scenarios with a language partner or simply practice in front of a mirror. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will become. Remember, the key is to start speaking from day one. Section 5. Numbers in German. Numbers are the backbone of any language, and German is no exception. Learning German numbers opens up a world of possibilities, from ordering food to understanding directions. Let's dive into the world of German numbers and make counting a breeze. Counting from 1 to 10 in German is fairly straightforward. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10. Notice how some numbers resemble their English counterparts, making them easier to remember. Once you've mastered the numbers from 1 to 10, you can easily form larger numbers. For example, 11 is 11, 12 is 12, and so on. For numbers above 20, the structure is slightly different. For instance, 21 is 21, literally 1 and 20. 32 is 32, 2 and 30, and so on. A fun way to practice German numbers is by incorporating them into your daily routine. You can count objects around you, try simple arithmetic problems in German, or even challenge yourself to think of your grocery list in German. Section 6. Essential German vocabulary. Expanding your German vocabulary is like adding spices to a dish. It brings flavor and richness to your communication. Let's explore some essential German words and phrases that will empower you to navigate everyday situations with ease. Start with basic greetings like hallo, hello, and guten Tag, good day. Learn how to introduce yourself with ich bin, I am, followed by your name. To ask someone their name, say wie heißen Sie, formal, or wie heißt du, informal. Master essential phrases like ja, yes, nein, no, bitte, please, and danke, thank you. Knowing how to say Entschuldigung, excuse me, and ich verstehe nicht, I don't understand, will come in handy when you need clarification or assistance. Don't forget to learn vocabulary related to food, transportation, and accommodation, especially if you're planning to travel to a German-speaking country. Some useful words include Essen, food, Getränke, drinks, Zug, train, bus, bus, hotel, hotel, and restaurant, restaurant. Section 7. Tips for easy learning. Learning a new language, especially as an adult, can seem daunting at first, but don't worry, it doesn't have to be a chore. Here are some fun and effective tips to make your German A1 journey enjoyable and rewarding. First, embrace the power of music. Listening to German music is a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with the rhythm and sounds of the language. Choose catchy tunes and sing along to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. Second, dive into the world of movies and TV shows. Watching German movies and TV shows with subtitles is an immersive and entertaining way to enhance your listening comprehension and vocabulary. Start with light-hearted comedies or dramas to ease yourself in. Third, make friends with flashcards. Flashcards are a classic language learning tool for a reason. Use them to memorize new vocabulary, grammar rules, and verb conjugations. You can create your own flashcards or use digital flashcard apps for convenience. Lastly, find a language partner. Practicing with a language partner is invaluable for improving your speaking and listening skills. You can find language exchange partners online or through local language clubs. Remember, the goal is to speak as much German as possible. Section 8. Practice makes perfect. As with any skill, consistency is key when learning German. Here are some practical and engaging ways to incorporate German practice into your daily routine. First, transform your daily commute. Instead of passively listening to music or scrolling through social media on your commute, listen to German podcasts, audiobooks, or language learning apps. Second, embrace the art of thinking in German. Challenge yourself to think in German throughout the day, even if it's just for a few minutes at a time. Try to describe your surroundings, your thoughts, and your daily activities in German. Third, join online language communities. Engage with fellow German learners and native speakers in online forums, social media groups, or language exchange platforms. Ask questions, share your progress, and practice your written and spoken German in a supportive environment. Lastly, reward your progress. Celebrate your achievements along the way, no matter how small they may seem. Treat yourself to a German meal, watch a German movie, or plan a trip to a German-speaking country to immerse yourself in the language and culture. Section 9. Your German adventure begins. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering German. You've now learned the basics of German A1, from the alphabet and pronunciation to essential phrases, numbers, and vocabulary. Remember, the key to success is consistent practice and a positive attitude. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're an essential part of the learning process. Embrace every opportunity to use your German, whether it's greeting a German-speaking friend, ordering food in German at a restaurant, or simply practicing your pronunciation in front of the mirror. Remember, learning a new language is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the beauty and richness of the German language. Section 10. Keep the momentum going. As you continue your German language journey beyond the A1 level, keep the following tips in mind to stay motivated and make consistent progress. First, set realistic goals. Break down your learning into smaller, achievable goals. Instead of aiming to become fluent overnight, focus on mastering specific grammar points, expanding your vocabulary in a particular area of interest, or being able to hold a basic conversation on a specific topic. Second, find your learning style. Experiment with different learning methods and resources to discover what works best for you. Some learners thrive in structured classroom settings, while others prefer self-paced online courses or immersive language learning apps. Third, surround yourself with German. Immerse yourself in the German language as much as possible. Listen to German music and podcasts, watch German movies and TV shows, read German books and articles, and seek out opportunities to interact with German speakers. Lastly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning process. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and improve. Don't be afraid to speak German, even if you're not confident in your abilities. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become.